Hi, Merry Christmas. I just want to wish everyone a Happy New Year as well. Just want to say a big thank you to all our customers, suppliers and partners that have supported us through this year and previous years. There's been a lot of interesting stuff this year that we've done, doing shows in the US, the shows in the UK, some new developments that we'll have a quick look at. There's a lot of exciting stuff coming for next year as well. Some nice factory built cars, some partnerships with Sadev on the gearboxes, new interior parts, new lighting on the car. We've done a lot as well in terms of the factory over the year. The showroom's been revamped a bit. We've got a half and half chassis, so we've got the GT on one side now on the other, so people can come and try and get a flavour for the different sizes. We've put the new window in behind me that looks into the new build area that we've built for the factory builds. There's a lot of new machine parts. So we've done the half and half chassis. This will be going to the shows next year, so it allows customers to try the standard and the GT for width. There's a pair of seats going in here that's going to have some different trims in and that, so we'll have a look at this next year in a separate video. Got to show you this one. So this is one of the first of the new Sadev gearboxes. We've done a separate video on this on the YouTube channel, but it's quite exciting now. We've got a couple of these going in the car, full 6-speed sequential. It's going to be absolutely awesome. Okay, so we're rounding up the year with the last few kits going out. This one's all boxed up, ready to go to America. This one's going to be collected in January. Another new thing that we've done this year, that we'll be doing a lot more of next year, is we've got the laser etching now on all the components. We're going to have the branding on, there'll be torque settings on there, part numbers, IDs, just to make it a bit easier on the build. So another project we're just completing for the end of the year. It's the Aircraft 3 for vertical aerospace, the landing gear. So we're just waiting on assembling this. This will be going out first thing of the new year. So we've got the new bit of the factory. I say new, it's nearly 2 years now since we got the keys to it, but it's been a very busy 2 years getting it all fitted out. This is the latest development. This is going to be the build area for 2025. So we've got floor tiles going down, got the new cabinets in, a few chassis and that. My random old truck, but another video another day. Got a few engines that are going in factory build, so we'll do a proper look at this once it's finished off next year. It's been a busy year in fabrication. This is the last chassis of 24 that we're doing, which is a FIA cage. This is going to be 2.5 Duratec, bias brakes, everything. Then we've got a busy start to next year. So again, it's been a busy year in the workshop. We've had a lot of IVAs, some usual mix of different cars, lots of zeros, lots of different things, from an Ultima currently in, a Haynes, Fieri. The F1 car that I think people have probably seen, that's really coming together now, so we'll be doing a few more detailed videos on this as it actually gets running and dyno in it and getting it on the track for the first time. So there's a lot to look forward to next year. So we've got the EV car that we've developed this year. It's nearly complete. There's just the last few bits and then powering it up in January. So anyone interested wants to come and have a go, have a close look. We'll probably have it at a few shows and events as well, along with our cars and coffees, track days and that, which we're going to be announcing in the coming months. So again, I'd just like to thank everyone for all their support throughout the year and ongoing support. Look forward to seeing everyone next year and have a great Christmas.
Merry Christmas, everybody. Be good. Don't do anything stupid. I'll see you next year.
Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas, everyone.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas! Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas.
Wishing you all a happy Christmas and a happy new year. Just like to say thank you for all the support Kit Spares have received over the last year. And hope to see new faces and the old customer base as usual. Merry Christmas.